Welcome back to another video. Today we have the jump starter power banks, the NexPow. Big shout out to NexPow for sending us this tool to test to see if it works or see if it doesn't work. We got model number G17. Don't forget to help with this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. I subscribe and like. Alright, so we got the jump starter up to 20 times per charge. Got power bank, charges any USB device like mobile phone, tablet, digital camera. It's a safety jumper cable, optional accessory, reverse polarity protection, short circuit protection, reverse charging protection, low voltage protection, overheat protection, LED flashlight, torchlight mode, SOS mode, strobe mode. Special note: to start the 20 volt car, please make sure that the power is at least 25% or above. Connect the red clip to the positive battery, the black clip to the negative. Insert jump cable into the starter. EC5 jump start starting port. Start your car engine. After jump starting the engine, remove the clamping cable. It says NexPow jump starter. It says model number G17. Rated power 66.6 watt hours. Made in China. I really like this type of case. It's hard and it does have lanyard. You can carry this around. The instruction manual. Next thing out of the box, got the jumper cables. You do have some sort of indication here of the voltage of the battery. F15A, a warning label: do not knock or toss this or shake the product strongly. Do not expose to the sun. Do not short circuit any time. Keep the product away from children and pets. Operation temperature should not exceed 50 Celsius. It says LED display. 1. Low voltage protection. 2. Reverse polarity protection or short circuit. 3. Reverse charging protection or high temperature protection. One's actually shorter than the other. If you guys didn't notice that, that's actually a good thing because both of these won't be touching. Charging cable. You got a brick here with the USB. 5 volts, 3 amps. Alright, so this is the last piece on the case. It feels rugged. It feels like it's textured, like it's rugged. It's not soft plastic or anything. It's textured. It's not rubber. 2000 peak battery amps. NexPow. I really like the design that they did. It actually feel a little bit lighter than others I've had. In and out. You got DC output, flashlight, a USB output 1, USB output 2. Then you got an engine start here. Alright, so let's turn this on, see what this looks like. Alright, so we got 3 bars to hold it so you guys can, yep. So hold it for the flashlight. Got the strobe on, and I guess you can hold it and turn it off. Yep, that's the way it works. It says you got some warnings there. It says do not start any engines exceeding maximum displacements that the jump starter can bear. Do not crank the engine more than 3 seconds. Allow the jump starter to cool down at least 1 minute in between each starter attempt. Please ensure the device is at least 50% of power before use. They did change it here a little bit, but it's for the safety of the product too. You want a battery that's going to last you a little bit longer. The battery is mostly on the back here. You get, because all the weight seems to be on the back. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and put this on the charger. We're going to see if this actually works or how well it works. Jump starter here. We're going to go ahead and take it off. I'm going to take the battery off. Battery is off the negative. So we're going to connect the positive. And then the negative, and then we're going to connect the jump starter. Alright, it's reading. It says 16.7 volts. It's not connected. We're going to do it one more time just to make sure we're at 4 bars. Alright, disconnect. There, reset it. It's reading 16.4. 16.4. Alright. Now these are pretty fine, they're not hot. Alright, we're gonna just disconnect it again. It's a safety precaution that all these can have, by the way. So connect it again. 16.2. So there you guys go, guys. This thing works amazingly. I really like this one because you don't have to have a battery connected to this power source. Most of them, they do require you to have a battery connected. This one does not. So guys, be sure to check them out. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers apply for my subscribers and likes. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.